In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, well, not really unboxing because I already took everything out. Some rainbow on there, that's fancy. Okay. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. This is a great day today, okay? I'm hyped because I got some contacts. I don't know, I just thought it would be exciting to share with you guys the different color contacts that I got. I got 8, I believe. And I got a pretty good deal because I got most of them for free, and I also got discounts on them. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. So this is the box right here. This is Ttdeye, and it comes in a cute pink box. But it's also for guys too, you know. I don't know why they do pink, but you know, I think it's cute. Male or female, you know, don't matter. You want contacts, get your contacts. I already opened my box, and it's cute. It says the logo right there, and it comes with some cute little stickers. I think these are tattoos, not stickers. Yeah. So this is the packaging that it came in, and I already took all the contacts out because I was just too hyped. I was excited. I had to just, you know, I had to open it and see. Yeah, it comes with this thing right here. It's really cute. I think it's like little things, I don't know, little things, little thingies you could put on your face. So yeah, comes with 4. Okay, so here are my contacts. So what I did was I took it out the box and I just put it in the case. I ended up buying my own solution and just, you know, pouring it into all of them because I didn't want to use their solution. I just wanted to use my own. Yeah, I ended up taking the label and putting it, this is Queen Blue. This is already just looks bomb. In this packaging, I ended up getting most of the Queen collection. So I got Queen Blue, Queen Gray, Queen Green, yeah, Queen Green, and Queen Brown. I had to get it because, you know, I'm a queen, you feel me? Queen Green, Queen Brown, Queen Gray. And now I'm gonna show you guys the other box, the other colors that I got. Pretty much the same thing. Came with more tattoos, pretty cute. And it also came with a mirror. Yeah, this is very cute and convenient. But yeah, so the reason I put the names on here and did the solution was because I just wanted to make sure my contacts were soaked in for at least 8 hours, and as well as just making it easier for me to know which one is which. Well, the next pair of contacts I got is blue polar lights. Yellow green polar light. This is brown polar lights. And this is brown polar lights too. But I thought this packaging was really nice because they gave you some tattoos, they gave you a little whatever this is, you know, it's cute. And has the cute little Ttdeye logo on there. I don't know if you can see it, but within the little contact case they have this thing right here. Grab the contacts with, and it also comes with this as well to put your contacts in. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go wash my hands, and yeah, we're gonna get started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in one contact so you guys can see the difference between the two. Oh my god, please ignore my under eyes. But yeah, this is yellow green polar lights. This is, as you can see, I have pretty dark brown eyes, and it's quite a big difference. My camera ended up dying. I ended up putting on the second contact, and I am in love. I honestly love them so much. Okay, so I zoomed in for you guys so you guys can see how they look up close, and they look really nice. They look realistic to me. You feel me? If I'm walking down the street, I think you will believe that these are my contacts. I really think so. Okay, so this is Queen Blue, and honestly, this is really nice. I like it. It's a complete difference from my dark eye. Like, this is blue. This is crazy. Yeah, as you can see, it's like a dark, I think, yeah, it's like a dark ring around it. It's like a dark blue, and then it's almost like it has a little bit of green in it. This is much better with the light, you guys can see. But right here, my eye was getting irritated compared to this eye. It took me like at least 5 times to put that one on. Yeah, I really like it. The only thing that concerns me is the contact. You can kind of see my real eye color on the side. It kind of like shifts a lot, but I mean, overall, it's a really nice color. Wow, yeah, you can really tell that this is green. So see what I was talking about with this contact compared to the brown Polar Lights 2? This one looks much more smaller compared to the other one, where you can actually see the color of my natural eyes. Yeah, this looks really nice. I like this green.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of
that. But yeah, just ignore the fact that my lashes are halfway coming off. This is Queen Brown. This is my natural color. Okay, so this is Queen Brown with both contact lenses on. Yeah, they look pretty, look really nice. I like them. I said that about all of them, but yeah, these are really nice. Yeah, these are really nice too. They're all nice. Oh my god. So yeah, compared to Polar Lights Brown 2, these are way lighter. I think I did put this contact in wrong. I'm not sure. I don't know, this one feels weird, so I think I did, so yeah. Yeah, you see how this one looks compared to this one? Wow, my eye is red. But yeah, you guys can tell that from putting all my contacts on, my eyes have been getting irritated. But I mean, that's obviously gonna happen when you keep trying on contacts. So I had to do what I had to do because, you know, I was excited to get these. anyways, overall, I love all the contacts. The only downside is they take a long time to get to you, like 10 to 20 days, but you know, it's worth it, honestly. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for